getting wet. She's getting wet from the rain. I'm trying to get to her front. She takes off somewhere. Huh? Don't chew on that. Where has a poison for that sissoo root. I think I about got it killed. I think I about got it killed. Are you getting wet? Uh-oh, bless you. You going through your little secret passageway? She really likes going through there. It's hilarious.